welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. So in today's video I'm coming to you looking absolutely wild because my hair is in braids and I'm trying to switch up my look because the braids are already boring to me. All in all, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I turn my braids into Bantu knots. It's literally super easy, and if you've already done Bantu knots, then this probably isn't a necessary video for you to watch. But I'm just gonna show you my strategy. So in the back, I've already done one row and I think one extra. All I am doing is pulling my braids back, the remaining braids that have not been touched, I should say. I'm pulling them back into a ponytail so I know where I'm working. And I'm just pulling them down as I go. I'm gonna show y'all one in the front, or maybe two. So I have these right here. I'm just using the regular Bantu knot method. So you're just gonna take the braid that you are working with and twist it around as if it's just your hair being loose. And wrap it. Wrap it till you can't wrap it no more. And I kind of just tuck it underneath. So boom, you have a Bantu knot. We're gonna repeat the same process. So twist, 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 wrap. And I kind of grab the base that's kind of folding on its own, and then I continue to wrap around so it has a decent shape to it, because I don't like Bantu knots that look awkward. I have not done Bantu knots on myself in a long time, so I was like, let's just do it with my braids because we're not about to unbraid my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys the rest of my head, and I am going to attempt to make a TikTok, and we're just going to see how it goes. So I'll see you in the next transition.
Ryan Little.
Y'all, so there is not a single untouched braid on my head. We have Bantu knots. Now for the final touch, I'm gonna do my baby hair, but I'm gonna do that off camera, so I will be back when the look is finished. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that somebody finds use out of this tutorial, even though I'm pretty sure any natural could have figured that out on their own. But I hope I gave you some decent tips and tricks, and just seeing somebody else do it might make it easier too. I'll give y'all 360. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my other social medias, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.